So here's my batter that I'm using so that I can put my carrots in there to make my carrot cake. But before I got to this stage, might I add that this consists of 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So that's separated. That's the dry ingredients. Now the wet ingredients consisted of 1 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 eggs. So what I did with the dry ingredients, I put it in a separate bowl. And then the wet ingredients, we're going to call it, I put the 1 1/4 cup of canola, and then I started off, I cracked 1 egg and I mixed that up. And after I mixed that up real well, then I added the other 3 eggs. Okay, and I mixed it up and I combined the rest of the wet ingredients. So then I went over here, and let me show you, this is my cold press, and here's my carrots, right? I'm gonna add, and then the carrot juice is here that I leave for my son. And so I'm gonna mix the carrots in here, and you can just put all of it in here like this. You don't have to put a little bit at a time. Oh, by the way, when you adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, make sure you add a little at a time. So I'm going to mix this up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some walnuts. Normally I would add raisins and ginger, but I'm baking this cake for someone and they don't want raisins in there. So, all right, so that's it, and I will let you know how it comes out. So I have mixed the carrots, and I put walnuts in there, and now I'm ready to put it in this pan. I'll put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 45-50 minutes. It all depends. But I would check it at 40 minutes first. You see? Look at that carrot, nice and rich. See the consistency? Wow. Hey everybody. Hope all is well on this wonderful Thursday. Well, I'm quite sure you've heard that expression, a woman's work is never done. So, I hooked up my pressure washer out there, as you see. And this is so dirty. It's just crazy, you know? But you have to sometimes, mentally get yourself prepared, physically get yourself prepared to do some of these things. But you see how dirty this is? I'm going to show you the ending results when I finish, okay?